There are essentially two meanings of the word Kindle. First, let's discuss the primary meaning. To kindle is to start burning something. इनफैक्ट अगर आपने कभी भी कैंप फायर के दौरान आग जलाई है या फिर किसी लोहड़ी जैसे फेस्टिवल को सेलिब्रेट करने के लिए आग जलाई है तो यू वुड अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट वी मीन बाय द फ्रेज टू किंडल। इनफैक्ट वो छोटे छोटे वुड के पीसेस, गत्ता या पुराने अखबार जो हम आग शुरू करने के लिए यूज करते हैं उनको हम किंडलिंग कहते हैं। सो दो स्मॉल पीसेस ऑफ वुड दैट आर यूज्ड टू स्टार्ट अ फायर आर कॉल्ड किंडलिंग। सो टू किंडल इज टू ग्रेजुअली स्टार्ट अ फायर. To kindle is to get something burning. The word kindle is also used figuratively as if to burn, to inspire, to arouse, or maybe to provoke. To kindle is to arouse an interest, to evoke an emotion, or provoke someone into doing something. Let's watch a clipping here where we see both the literal and figurative meaning of the word kindle. Let's have the clipping now.
The beacon of our tea is lit! Hope is kindled.
In the first half of the clipping, Pippin kindles a fire, so he starts a fire. In the second half of the clipping, we see a figurative usage. So Gandalf says, hope is kindled. So उम्मीद जाग उठी है, hope is kindled. Another usage, as a teacher, he was known for giving lectures that would kindle enthusiasm in students for science. So, to kindle is to inspire. We can also use the word kindle as per to arouse. For example, the passionate look she gave me kindled strong emotions inside me. Aroused strong emotions inside me. Kindled strong emotions inside me. So, to kindle is to arouse, to awaken, or to stimulate. किसी को जगाना, उत्साहित करना, जोश से भरना, गुस्से में लाना, उत्तेजित करना is to kindle. Now there's a secondary meaning of the word kindle. Although it's a very rarely used meaning, but there's a secondary meaning to the word kindle. A kindle refers to a family of cats or rabbits all born at the same time. So a kindle refers to a family of cats that were all born at the same time from the same mother. So when we use the phrase a kindle of kitten, it is same as a litter of kitten. Now, the secondary meaning is not that important, so focus on the primary meaning itself.
I'm a OG boy.
Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side.
Boy.
Know that they ride or die.